Hi, I'm Alice Chun. I'm an inventor, social entrepreneur, professor in architecture and interior design. Welcome to my home in 2 Peter Cooper Village, Gramercy. I believe design is about making the invisible visible. And for me in my work, design provides dignity. And that's how I go about designing my environment and the products I make. In general, I'd say my sense of design leans towards modern simplicity and natural materials in particular. But not only is this my living room, we also have a dining area, and I use this for my laboratory and workspace. This bookshelf is also a partition that divides my living space from my sleeping space. It also keeps my family keepsakes and items from my travels throughout the world. A cohesive design for me is something that runs through a theme within the space itself to tie different elements together, to think of a room almost like a very well drafted poem. We have lighter colored woods like oak, which is a sustainably harvested wood, for the coffee table and all of the accent pieces, bringing the blonde color of the wood as a unifier in the whole space. And here we have a painting, but the colors are pale and modern, so I thought it would be a great way to combine all of the colors in the room and become a centerpiece for the environment of the living room. Light is a particular fascination for me because the origins of gathering and community started with light. I discovered that people all over the world don't have access to electricity and require kerosene to light their world at night, which is a toxic, deadly fuel. Too often when products are designed for the underserved, it's all about utility, but it should be about beauty, wonder, and awe. And good design should encompass all of that. So I decided to use origami as a way to design a collapsible, foldable solar light that could easily flat pack and also pop open into a beautiful form, which is easy, lightweight, and affordable. Behind me are not actually pieces of art, but they're my thoughts and sketches that are done in 3D as prototyping for my inventions. Origami is extremely efficient. You can turn a simple piece of paper into a magnificent structure using your imagination. It's not about making possible realities. It's about making real possibilities. In addition to my work, you have a rudimentary drawing done by my son when he was 10. We have a photograph that was given to me by the mayor of San Juan after we delivered 100,000 lights to Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria. And we have some little animals that I got from Nigeria when I first visited Makoko in Lagos, Nigeria, delivering my first prototypes of solar lights back in 2010. We've impacted communities in Haiti, Ukraine, Turkey, Maui after the fires, and all this has confirmed my conviction that light is a universal need. Now that I've shown you where I work and live, I'll show you where I sleep. This is where I sleep, so I just wanted to keep it simple, clean, and elegant. I never like throwing things out, and these are a prototype for an earlier project that never panned out, but they're perfect sculptural pieces to divide one space from another. Not only do I have these lights in here because I love them, it's actually here because this is a living laboratory. And I just learned so much by seeing how they work. They're not just for communities that need light. Whether you're living in New York or Nigeria, design matters. Design is my life, and designing accessible lighting has become my calling. And both are vital whether you're living in Port-au-Prince or New York City. Thank you for visiting my humble abode.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.